Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for this opportunity to speak with you this evening. You know, in this brief time that I have, there's a few number of topics that I want to cover with you very quickly. And the first one is I want to tell you who I am. I am the current Superior Court judge. My assignment is delinquency, dependency, and traffic. I have served in this position since 2010. I was appointed by Governor Schwarzenegger. I am also a husband and father. I've been married to my wife 22 years, and we have a lovely 11-year-old daughter who attends public school in the community. Now, why am I running for this position? Well, I want to be retained in the position to which I was appointed, but the reason for me is very simple as to why I'm running. I'm passionate about kids, and I want to impact families in crisis in our community. I can take just a second to show you an article that caught my eye some weeks back that I've held on to. USA Today, May 1st. Addicted infants triple in a decade. 3.4 out of 1,000 suffer painkiller withdrawal. Now this is clearly a national epidemic, but we have similar problems in this community, in the community where I live, where my family lives. We have similar kinds of problems. In the past 6 months, I have seen cases in my courtroom in which newborns were addicted at birth to heroin, newborns addicted to meth, other newborns addicted to Oxycontin. These things strike me. These are things that I'm passionate about trying to fix, trying to correct. I've also seen cases where kids are the product of domestic violence, substance abuse by parents, strong neglect by their parents. Again, these are things that I'm passionate about that I want to affect in a positive fashion. Now, I'm not saying that I am the sole solution. I'm part of a team which is part of that solution. In other words, I'm the judge, I make the orders, but there are other people that are part of this team to help affect it. There's CASA, the Court Appointed Special Advocates. There's also foster care, the foster families. Those are all folks that I work with. There's also CPS, Child Protective Services. Part of the team, and we all collectively work for the best interests of the child and try and get the children reunified back with the families. Those are things that I'm passionate about, that I've been working on for nearly 2 years since my time on the bench. I wish to continue working on those issues. Now, in terms of endorsements and substantiating my qualifications for the job, for the position, I'd like to point out that I am the only candidate, at least that I'm aware of, that has an appellate justice that has endorsed them. But I'll go even further and point out that I have 5 appellate justices on the 3rd District Court of Appeal that have endorsed me for my position. Now these are folks, justices, that know me because I appeared in front of them or I worked with them for extended periods of time when they were attorneys. So this isn't just a pro forma endorsement. These are folks who know me, I believe respect me, otherwise they wouldn't have endorsed me, and they know of my qualifications and my integrity. In addition, I am endorsed by over 50 trial court judges. Again, folks who know me or I've appeared in front of, and therefore they know me by appearances or they know me by reputation. I also want to point out that I am endorsed by the California Republican Assembly, the California Association of Highway Patrolmen. I'm endorsed by 3 members of the judges, or 2 judges and 1 commissioner on our own bench, Stephen Bailey, Judge Malikian, and Commissioner Sullivan. I'm endorsed by retired Senator Don Rogers, retired Senator John Briggs, and current Supervisor Ron Briggs. So I believe that I have the strongest set of endorsements of any candidate in this race. These are people who know me, who are supporting me, and I ask that when you go to your ballot, you see the 3 names that are there for judge. You find the name that is the most difficult to pronounce. Okay, That's Warren Stracener. So I'd ask for your vote on June 5th. Thank you.